So, yeah. Studio screen recording files. Like and download the old What's up YouTube? Today's video is here is how to make a simple hello world in C, not C++. To do it in your web browser, go to codeblock.org. The link is also in the description. Click downloads. Click download a binary one. Then click download Blossom, but I already have downloaded it. You already downloaded it. Then click it. It'll ask you for admin. As you can see, it's asking for admin. I click yes. Once it asks you, click next. I agree, next, install. But already I have installed CodeBlock, so no, I don't want to install it. I aborted it because I don't want to install it again. Because I already have installed the program, CodeBlock. Once you have installed them, you should see this in the desktop. So, double click on CodeBlock, then it will install. It will run. Now we want to create. So as you can see, if I run the sample,
target acquired.
Here's what I need. But you can't just ASSE. And you can continue all the time using code using CodeBlock.
Old school motherfucker.
First you need to do is include stdio or stdio.h. This is the first kind of to do in C. Then type int main and do these two curly brackets and put these two lines and the taxes in this window. Printf. What happened? So type printf hello world. Brackets, curly brackets. Quotation marks, hello world. And write this and process. And it's to be with the semicolon. I return 0 and shall also be a semicolon. Click the gear button to build it and click play. Now you should see the simple hello world.exe. This is some looking command prompt. Now we're gonna exit and on the internet browser you've installed it. You can also use C for most powerful things. Anyways, this is how to write simple hello world. Print a simple hello world in C.
What is C? What is C?
A programming language.
What is spoken?
You can also use Microsoft Visual Studio or some alternatives other than code blocks. This Microsoft Visual Studio, but for free. Like if you're downloading it, you need to look for the community version if you want to use it for free. Or you can also use the web wide, but those are limited. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Or I'll eat you all. Or the bears are hunting you.